Hi and welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you and talk a little bit about the canonical section that we have in our reporting feature within our SEO tool. So if we minimize some of these other tabs just so that we can get a clearer view of the data that we're looking at, we can quickly see there's quite a lot of data that we show you. We can quickly see that there's quite a few different categories that we look at here. So in terms of canonicals, we're looking to see whether pages are canonical, which means that they have a self-referential canonical tag. We're looking to look at non-canonical pages that are missing a canonical tag. And then we also break down all of the types of pages that we find on the site. So we find HTTP URLs versus HTTPS, the www versus non-www, pages with and without the trailing slash, and also cases with URLs with uppercase characters. For each of these, we provide data on the amount that we found of each of these type during the latest crawl, and we also find the data for the previous crawl, and we show any differences here. This section is broken up specifically because canonical pages are so important for SEO. They contain the preferred version of the content, and so when you're optimizing pages, you typically want to be optimizing the canonical version of the page, as that's the one that's most likely to rank in the search results. And there's also it helps that you can understand the consistency of the canonical URL usage throughout the site. So, for example, our site has, it can be accessed via HTTP if there weren't a redirect in place preventing that from happening. And you can see that all of our pages are HTTPS. We have chosen not to use the www, which means that all of our pages show as the www. We use a trailing slash at the end of every one of our URLs, and so there's no trailing slash duplication. And unfortunately, we have two URLs that have uppercase characters, which is an issue that we would need to fix. So just by looking at this data, you can understand if there's any typical canonical duplication errors throughout the site. Pages that are missing a canonical tag won't be able to fall into either of the previous two categories, and that will also impact how we analyze the site as a whole. Okay, thanks for watching.